Hello guys, welcome to Jack of Trades, and today we are unboxing this premium gaming keyboard and mouse combo from Zebronics called the Transformer. So without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing of this product. So this is the box as you guys can see. So let us unbox the case. So as you guys can see, this is the keyboard. Here are some documents, the user manual and some guides. So let's keep them aside. So this is the keyboard guys, look how cool this is. This is the transformer keyboard. This is called transformer because Zebronics has tried to give the keyboard and the mouse transformer like look, just like the movie Transformer. So the build is very good. So this is the back side. So this is the keyboard guys. The build is very good. The entire frame is made up of metal, and at the side we get the mouse. This looks like a transformer definitely. The mouse is very good looking, and the build is also good. It is also lightweight. So I'll just turn on the keyboard and along with the mouse. So as you guys can see, I have turned on the mouse. I have connected it to my laptop. So it's looking very cool with the RGB lights. So I'll talk about the specifications of this mouse. This weighs 124 grams. It has 7 colors with the breathing effect, as you guys can see, and 4 color modes. And the cable is a braided cable along with the USB, which is gold plated, so that's a bonus. And the cable is of 1.8 meters, and this is the DPI or the sensitivity button. This is the left, and then this is the right. This is the scroll button, and there are 2 more buttons here, the up and down button. So there are 6 buttons, and with the help of the DPI settings you can change from 1000 to 1600, 2400 and 3200, and also the lights and the DPI settings are synced together, so they both change together. So talking about the mouse, overall this is a very good mouse. It's good for gaming and also for casual work. So coming to the keyboard now, the keyboard is looking superb with the RGB lighting, as you guys can see. It's looking very good with the RGB lighting. So talking about the specifications of the keyboard now, this weighs around 678 grams. This has 104 keys along with dedicated media keys, and the frame is made up of metal, which is a bonus, and also 3 modes with 1 off mode, which I'll show you. And also the cable of the keyboard is braided, and it's also gold plated, the USB. And this way you can change the colors of the keyboard. This is off, and this is the amazing breathing effect, as you guys can see. So the transformer is a good combo, I must say, of the keyboard and the mouse. So if you're looking for a decent gaming keyboard and mouse, you can definitely check this out. I'll provide the link of the products in the description. So this is transformer from Zebronics. This is not a mechanical keyboard, but looks like a mechanical keyboard. You can also guys see how it sounds. It sounds decent. So this combo is a very good combo at a very good price, I must say. I got this for around 2600 rupees. So that's a very good price for which we are getting such a good product. So if you're looking for a budget gaming mouse and keyboard, you can definitely check this out. So that's all guys, that's all about the unboxing of this product. So I'll see you soon. This is Anis signing off. Ciao.